Hey guys, Jay&Step ATV here, and so today we're just going to be doing just some stuff, and yeah. So the reason why we changed our name to Jay&Step ATV is because we switched to riding four-wheelers, and so Jay&Step MX wouldn't be fit for what we do. So now let's get into a review of our quads. So this is Jay's quad. It is a Honda TRX 250 EX. It is a 2002, I believe. 2001. It's pretty nice. And needs a new heel guard and needs a new thing here. I don't know what it's called, I forget. And overall, well, it runs awesome. It's just a great quad. It looks amazing. And yeah, that's it for Jay's quad. So this is my quad. This is a Polaris Phoenix 200. It is a 2017. It is, yeah, it's all muddy. Quads are all muddy. We went through a swamp, but this is a really nice quad. It runs great. But only thing is, we keep hearing noises, and we either think it's the CVT belt or the drive shaft because it is not meant for jumping. And one annoying thing about it is it has, Polaris makes the electric throttle control. So, and since this is a 2017, it has a recall on the throttle because something was happening to it and it was like bogging or whatever. And so we're taking that into a shop soon. And yeah, that's it for mine. So this is Jay's quad, the TRX 250. And this is how it runs. Its cold start isn't the best, but it runs great. It runs great in the trails, pits. Pretty nice. That's it for Jay's quad and how it runs. So this is how my quad runs. Show you real quick. Pulling the brake. So that's how that runs. Sounds great. Be a little rough. Great. I've had some issues. So if you own a Polaris Phoenix 200 and if it's bogging, there's a throttle needle in the carburetor too. So you just take off the carburetor and set it. There's settings. You can look more into that if it's bogging. And if it's a 2014 through 2017, it has a recall, so you might want to get that checked out. And if your throttle has a lot of play, you can adjust that right here. You slide this up and then you can adjust that. Wrench size 10 millimeters, so just so you know. Is it 10 millimeters for this, or is it 8? For the throttle thing? I think It might be 8. Sorry. But yeah, now we're just gonna, I guess, ride around here and show you how they ride. So here we go, guys. Let's get into it. Ooh, little wheelie. Oh! So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and please like, subscribe if you enjoyed.